Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Thursday. Question of the day today was name something you want to stay away from. All right. And my answer in the title was sugar. All right. We all know this is very, very bad thing, right? When we look at processed sugar and things like that. So got a good story to tell. Ooh, lights went out. That's let me get the motion going here real quick. Boom, motion detector. Stay green. I think turns off without motion. I'm a big fan of those, except when it turns off when it's not supposed to, or when there's no motion. It means we're not moving around enough, right? It means we need to get moving. All right, so here we go. Let's go back to this. So sugar. Name something you want to stay away from, which is sugar. All right. Got a great story. I think this was 2 days ago. All right. So driving around with my buddy. And stopped to get something to drink. Says he's thirsty. He says, you want anything? He says, no, I'm good. I got some water. So I fill up my I don't have it here with me, but big Yeti. I'm a big fan of water. So I'm especially if it's cold. I'm a water fan, right? Drink a lot of water. More water over everything. All right. But he jumps in there. He goes into the convenience store or gas station, whatever out, and he comes out with an Arizona. Comes out with this. Okay, Arizona iced tea. Big here says 99 cents. All right, so we got 99 cents here. Great deal, right? It's one of the tall cans. So regular can, the 12-ounce can probably comes to here. This one's a tall one. This is awesome. Let me see, a refreshing herbal tonic. Okay, not only that, it's got a cross sign there. That's obviously the medic or the symbol for, first aid, or, this is something good here. Okay, so refreshing herbal tonic. Notice here the prescription, the RX, right? If we talk about the workouts that we do, we RX them, right? That's the goal, is to get to the RX. And then if you put energy by it, right? Who doesn't want prescribed? Isn't that prescription? I think that RX means prescription. I'm going to have to do a little more research in this. Apologize, came unprepared. I am not really smart about a lot of things, but I just go off common sense. So we're going to look up what that RX symbol is, but I believe it's prescription, something to do with the doctor. I think that means just prescribed. So this is prescribed energy, okay? Herbal tonic. I mean, herbal. We want a bunch of herbals, like anyone herbs, like natural herbs, and that's fantastic, all right? Those are good things. All right, let me read this little statement down here, because you look at this. Oh, for not only that, let's talk about this picture. I didn't even realize this. This got me here. So this is a picture of some individuals. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like all dudes. Cut off tanks. The sleeve bandit got them. So they have some cut off shirts. Notice their physique, their muscle. They're running. They're in shorts. They're by the beach. There's cloud. There's a sailboat in the background. There's a bird. There's cloud. Looks like it's partly cloudy. The weather looks beautiful. They're running maybe on water, right on the beach. The waves are coming in. This is beautiful, right? Yellow. I mean, this is fantastic. This is starting to look good to me. All right. Let me just read this too. I picked this up. I turned this around again. I saw the health symbol here. This plus. Then I'm going to read this. An invigorating blend of green tea, tropical and citrus fruits, Panax ginseng, eleuthero root, guarana, shishandra, and vitamins A, C, and E. Amazing, right? Signed by, not genuine unless signed. Ladies and gentlemen, this can is signed, and it's genuine, because if it wasn't signed, it wouldn't be genuine. So they might even have intimidating or some imitations out there. So this is actually the genuine prescribed energy. All right, I'm starting to get excited. All right, so not only that, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this little stamp here. It's stamped. I'm going to read it. Vitamin C, antiox. It says antiox. So this says antioxidant. That means defense, or anti, so not against oxidants. And oxidants, we all know, sound, or what are they? I don't even know what oxidants are, but they're bad, right? We want to stay away from them. So this is antioxidant. antioxidants. So this is great. This is shaping up to be Arizona. Look at this, a refreshing herbal tonic. And by the way, when we went there, it was super hot. So this was like when it was very humid. We were driving that 1985 Accord. It was no AC. I mean, we are thirsty. So this, I mean, it is a refreshing herbal tonic. Who would not want this? All right. Not only that, but look at this. It absolutely is a great buy. Okay. 99 cents. You know how many ounces are in here? 23 fluid ounces. That's 680 milliliters. And I'm not smart. I'm just reading it off here. So this is, but it's a tall can. So who doesn't want a tall can? All right. Okay. So, and I say, John, I said, I just gave his name away. All right. But he doesn't mind. So we're talking about. So I say, I think I've seen this before, and I may have talked about this before. I never went on record and talked about it. But so let's turn around. So we all know that, I mean, it's all about what's in it, the ingredients in it. Okay. Let's talk about this. Another thing here. It says no, big up no. No. It says no preservatives, artificial colors, or artificial flavors. That's fantastic, right? So we're staying away from the all artificial stuff. So this seems to be natural, right? So it seems to be very natural and lining up to be pretty healthy. Okay. So I go back to the back here and I look at the nutrition facts, as I think you all should, no matter what you pick up. Just look at the ingredients. Okay. Let me start. First, premium brewed green tea using filtered water. Obviously, you want to use filtered water because filtered water is better than regular water. So they make sure that we know it's filtered water and it's premium brewed. Okay, that means premium. I mean, who doesn't want the premium? Okay, like gas is more expensive. Premium is premium. I mean, you want premium. Premium is better gas than regular. And it's better. So it's premium brewed. And it's green tea, because regular tea obviously isn't good as green tea. So green tea is healthier than regular tea. I think we would all agree. I don't know why, but it's just, it sounds better. I think we're all believe that green tea is better than regular tea, better than, a sweet iced tea. And not only that, but they call it an herbal tonic. Okay. All right. So let's keep going. Second, and by the way, the ingredients are like the most of what's listed. That's the most of what's in this. So that's good. So we got premium brewed green tea is what's mostly in here. Okay. The second ingredient here, I'm going to read it. High fructose corn syrup. All right. I'm pretty sure by now we all know what high fructose corn syrup is. And if we don't know what high fructose corn syrup is, what up, Jeff? Jeff, join me. Good morning, Jeff. Day kicking off. Miss you at the 6 a.m., brother. 7:47. Hope you have a fantastic day. We're just talking about this Arizona iced tea. So if you see these today, long story short, you may want to stay away from these, even though it's a refreshing herbal tonic. All right. So we're still talking about the ingredients here. And premium brewed green tea is mostly what's in here. And that's fantastic because premium is the best. Who doesn't want premium gas? I don't get it because it's more expensive, even though it's better. I know it's better, but it's more expensive. So I go regular. I don't know. So that's what I do. Car works pretty good. All right. Premium brewed green tea using filtered water. All right. Let's talk about a second here. High fructose corn syrup. All right. Glucose fructose corn syrup is in parentheses. So I think we all know by now that high fructose corn syrup is not good for you, right? You want to stay away from that. And again, you can just do the research. I'm not that smart, but if you don't know high fructose corn syrup is not good for you, it is not good for you. You need to stay away from it. All right. It's just that's the end of that. And that's the second ingredient in here. Okay. So that means that is the most by volume of what is in this refreshing herbal tonic with prescribed energy. By the way, RX, man, this is awesome. This is perfect. Fits right in with CrossFit. Prescribed energy. So this is going to give you a lot of prescribed energy throughout the day. Yeah, right. That was just a joke, but okay, let's keep going. Pear juice from concentrate. So I all know, I think we all know that we want to stay away from the concentrate. I mean, the concentrate isn't, it's, I don't know, the concentrate isn't as is not better than the regular stuff. So pear juice from the concentrate. Okay, so it's not even pear juice. If it was pear juice, I'd be like, yo, super cool. But no, it's pear juice from concentrate. All right, mango puree. Don't know what that is, but I don't know. Sounds good. Orange blossom honey. How can that be bad? Orange blossom honey. Well, honey probably has some sugar in it too. Citric acid. Lemon juice from concentrate. Again, not even in lemon juice, just from the concentrate. Natural flavors. Ascorbic acid, vitamin C, guaiacea, caffeine, beta carotene for color. So they put in beta carotene to color. Unless you pour it out, why would you see the color? It's in a can. All right, but what if you pour it into a nice glass, refreshing glass with ice? Let's keep going. Beta carotene. So I have vitamin E acetate, ester gum. I have no idea what that is, but I don't know. Could look that up. Guarana root extract. Guarana root extract. So that's good. It's like a root. So that sounds pretty good. Vitamin A palmitate. I don't know what that is, but vitamin A sounds good. Panax ginseng extract. So that's extract they get from the Panax. The ginseng, I know that's a root. That's got to be good. Eleuthero root extract. So that's good. They pull more root stuff. I can't pronounce this one. Schisandra extract. I have no idea what Schisandra is, but that sounds healthy and that's good. MFD. Ooh, this is a real thing. All capitals, MFD. Oh, it says, that's it. Oh, I think we're done there. That manufactured for Arizona beverages. All right, so that's not an ingredient. So we stopped there. Schisandra extract. That's the last ingredient in here. All right, cool. So it's got a bunch of roots and things, and those are good. It sounds like it comes naturally from that's good for us. The roots and the ginseng and things. I wouldn't argue any about this. All right, but bottom line is here. There's some things in here that I have no idea what is. But the second ingredient is high fructose corn syrup. Okay, it's not good for us. All right, let's look at the sugar. Let's just look at the amount of what's in here. Okay, not only the ingredients, we have to check the amount. All right, that's the next thing I look at. So first thing we're looking at is ingredients. Next thing we're looking at is the amount. All right, so let's talk about the amount. So a serving size is 8 ounces. Okay, great. If this was an 8-ounce can, the servings per container are approximately 3. So let me get that straight. So 8 fluid ounces. So there's 3 of these. They may have snuck that one through. I just want to repeat that. So there's 3. We have to multiply everything in here by 3 if we want to get the actual size. Okay, so approximately 3. So it's close to 3. So maybe they overestimated. That's a good thing. So maybe these estimates are a little bit higher because this is only 23 fluid ounces. And it is 680 milliliters, and 240 milliliters is the serving size. 8 fluid ounces times 3, so 240 milliliters is a serving size. 240 times 3, 246. I can't really do the math. I'm not that smart, but it's approximately 3 serving size. Okay, so let's get down to it. Calories, 100. So if you don't look at the serving size, you just think this is 100 calories. All right. So if you are the type of person that counts calories, you may not be that intimidated by the calorie. Oh, it's a big can and it's 100 calories. Cool. But it's multiplied by 3. So you have to understand that there's 300 calories in here. 300. And again, I'm not a fan of counting calories, but if you are, I know that probably it shocked you. You got to multiply by the serving size. All right, let's keep going. Calories from fat, 0. Total fat, 0. Not going to gain any fat by drinking the saturated fat. That's not good, right? 0. It's good. Trans fat, 0. And here, 0 cholesterol. All right, let's talk about sodium. 10 milligrams of sodium. Okay, but again, multiplied by 3. So that's 30 milligrams of sodium. I think sodium is just salt. So you got 30 milligrams. I don't know how much sodium you're supposed to get throughout the day, but This is 30 milligrams of it. Total carbohydrates, 26 grams of carbohydrates. 26 times 3 is definitely over 75. That's 9% of the percent daily value. So you're getting 9% of the daily value, I think, that you're supposed to get, apparently. Dietary fiber, so it has 0 fiber. And lastly, I'm gonna actually not come to lastly. Vitamin A is 25%. Vitamin C is 100%. It has 25% vitamin E. There's a little asterisk here. I want to say percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. All right. Again, I'm not that smart. I don't really know what that means, but that's the percent daily values that all of these are based on. All right. But lastly, and I believe most importantly, is sugars. I don't know if you can read this. I might have to put up a picture of it. Yeah, it's hard to zoom in here. It's small, and if you don't have glasses, you're definitely not seeing this. As I hold it here, can't read it, 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 can't read it. Boom. Got it. 25 grams of sugar in here, ladies and gentlemen. 25 grams of sugar times 3. Now, I know I can do multiplication, simple multiplication. Let me do it real quick. That is 25 times 2 is 50, plus another 25 is 75 grams of sugar in this 99-cent can, which is a refreshing herbal tonic of prescribed energy. It is an invigorating blend of green tea, tropical and citrus fruits, Panax, ginseng, eleuthero root, guarana, schisandra, and vitamins A, C, and E. And not only that, but it is genuine because it is signed by that individual, James W. Hoppenswell. All right. I just can't emphasize enough that this is 75 grams of sugar. And what I want to do is pour out what 75 grams of sugar looks like. Unfortunately, we do not keep sugar here readily available, either at CrossFit or at home. So I'm going to have to go out and buy a bag of sugar. I'm going to pour it out. I'm going to show you what 75 grams of sugar looks like and what is absolutely in this what seems to be healthy, refreshing herbal tonic, which has prescribed energy, multiple ginseng roots, and people running, and just a solid great buy. All right. Would disagree on being a great buy. This is absolutely cheaper than water, and it is absolutely full of a lot of unnecessary sugar. Please stay away from this. If you see it, if you see anything like it, check your labels, check the amount of sugar in it. If the second ingredient, if it has high fructose corn syrup in it at all, I would go ahead and look for a different product. All right. Hope that helps. Enjoy your day. Crush it.